Hello, do you know what yet? The horrifying truths inside the world's largest deer processing plant in China will be exposed in today's video. Please leave a 1 to make sure you'll watch the entire video with me. Join me as we follow a deer meat processing employee to discover how they process deer meat. After skinning, the deer meat pieces appear before us like meticulous works of art. Plant workers carry out the meat trimming task with concentration and high professional skill. They carefully select and separate meat parts with precision, from tenderloins to thigh meat and loin. Each maneuver ensures the freshness and tenderness of the meat, ensuring that every piece of deer meat meets the standard. Do you not know what to do with deer meat? Let me suggest a new and exciting dish for you: deer sausage. The process of making deer sausage begins with selecting the ingredients. After grinding the meat, precise amounts of spices and other components are added to the mixture. These may include salt, pepper, garlic, natural seasonings, and delicate herbs to create distinctive flavors. You can add your favorite spices as well. Next, the meat and spice mixture needs to be thoroughly stirred to ensure even distribution, allowing the flavors to penetrate each sausage link. Once adequately combined, you stuff the meat and spice mixture into collagen casings, shaping the sausages using a specialized stuffing machine. Finally, the sausages are either grilled or steamed until fully cooked to preserve the natural flavor of the deer meat. You can then enjoy them directly by frying or baking, or if not consumed immediately, store them in the refrigerator. Venison grilled is a unique and enticing dish, thanks to the natural flavor of deer. With a crispy outer layer and juicy interior, grilled deer has an irresistible appeal that captivates anyone who sees it. Imagine yourself out camping and grilling a deer thigh. Its aroma is simply marvelous. The combination of the mountainous landscape and grilled deer is truly worth experiencing. Do you find this suggestion appealing? Please leave a 1. Deer antlers are precious materials crafted into exquisite handmade products. Skilled craftsmen often use deer antlers to create intricately patterned items such as jewelry and household goods. These pieces are not only visually appealing, but also carry profound cultural and historical significance of the Chinese people. The combination of artisan craftsmanship and the natural beauty of deer antlers produces unique handmade products, contributing to the advancement of traditional Chinese art and commerce. For centuries, the Chinese have used deer antlers for medicinal purposes, believing in its healing properties and health benefits. The process of preparing deer antlers into medicine typically begins with steaming them over a small fire. The even heat gradually softens the antlers, making them easier to slice afterwards. This process demands skill and experience, as the temperature must not be too high to preserve important nutrients. After steaming to soften, craftsmen often thinly slice the antlers in preparation for medicinal use. These slices can be used for soaking in alcohol or for dried preservation. Let's go see how deer are cared for on the farm. Please leave a 1 if you're sure about that. Every morning, as the sunlight filters through the dreamy streams, lazy deer playfully roam on lush green meadows, creating a vibrant picture of freedom blending with nature. Dedicated farmers on the farm serve not only as guides, but also as protectors of the health and growth of the deer herd. With deep knowledge and practical experience, they implement advanced nutritional and care methods to ensure the robust health of each deer. The farm isn't just a place for producing high-quality deer meat. It's also an ideal destination for travelers seeking to learn about natural life and experience close encounters with wildlife. Stepping onto the deer farm feels like entering another world, where you can immerse yourself in the exquisite beauty and simple life of nature. Let's switch gears to a frozen pizza processing plant. Leave a 0 if you find this video boring. The production process of frozen pizza at the factory begins with feeding the ingredients into a dough mixer. Key ingredients like flour, water, yeast, salt, and oil are combined and thoroughly mixed in the machine to create a smooth and uniform dough mixture. Once the mixing process is complete, the dough is transferred to a dough sheeter. Here, the dough is rolled thin to achieve the desired thickness, ensuring the pizza crust has a perfect texture. When the pizza bases meet the standard, they are moved to the shaping line to be divided into evenly sized discs. After being pressed into pizza bases, the dough is allowed to rest for a certain period. This process helps the dough to rise evenly and stabilize, preparing it for adding toppings, ensuring perfect flavor and texture for the pizza. The next step in making pizza is spreading tomato sauce onto the rested pizza bases. After evenly spreading the tomato sauce, various toppings such as vegetables, meat, and other ingredients are added. This process is typically carried out using automated machines to ensure consistency and efficiency. Finally, a layer of cheese is sprinkled over the pizza surface, completing it with a flavorful topping. These components are arranged to ensure each slice has enough toppings and distinctive flavors. The final stage of pizza production involves placing the pizzas into a rapid freezing system. After freezing, the pizzas are transferred to a labeling and automatic packaging line. Each pizza is labeled with product information and storage instructions. If you enjoy eating pizza, please leave a 1. Using frozen pizza not only provides convenience, but also delivers an authentic culinary experience. Firstly, the excellent taste of frozen pizza is undeniable. With thin, smooth dough slices topped generously with rich sauce and flavorful spices, each slice retains the aroma of fresh and delicious ingredients when baked. Moreover, the variety of toppings ranging from creamy cheese to savory sausages ensures that every palate is satisfied. Next, its convenience is a standout feature beloved by many families. No need to go out shopping or wait for delivery. Just a few minutes in the oven and you have a hot, delicious pizza ready at home. This not only saves time, but also preserves the freshness and maximum flavor of the pizza with every bite. On the streets, you can easily spot mobile pizza trucks, offering flavors that rival frozen pizza. With eye-catching and functional designs, these trucks serve not only as production spaces, but also as venues for customers to experience culinary delights directly on site. Whenever these pizza trucks roll into town, the aroma of freshly baked dough and sauce permeates the air, drawing the attention of passers-by and awaiting customers alike. Especially equipped with professional cooking appliances, from wood-fired pizza ovens to refrigerators for preserving fresh ingredients. These trucks are not just places to sell food, but also community gathering spots. Here, people can come together to enjoy and savor the traditional flavors of pizza in a fully immersive experience.
The coffee bean roasting process is a crucial step in creating the distinctive and flavorful taste of coffee. Firstly, the pre-processed coffee beans are fed into the roasting machine, where they are heated at high temperatures. This process takes time depending on the desired roast level, transitioning the beans from green to brown and emitting their characteristic aroma. Once they reach the desired color and flavor, the coffee beans are rapidly cooled to halt the roasting process. The soil used for growing coffee plays a crucial role in producing high-quality beans. It needs to be well aerated to support the coffee plant's root system and ensure efficient drainage. Additionally, the soil should be rich in nutrients, particularly nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, to provide the energy needed for the coffee plants to grow and produce flavorful beans. The soil must also have an appropriate pH level to create the ideal conditions for coffee plant development. Together, these factors create an optimal environment for growing coffee plants and producing top-quality coffee. Transporting donkeys to the processing factory is typically done using specialized livestock transport trucks, either single or double-deckers, a safe and convenient means of transportation. These trucks are designed to ensure comfort and safety for the donkeys throughout the journey. With spacious and well-ventilated compartments, the donkeys have enough room to stand or lie down comfortably. Integrated natural ventilation and lighting systems help maintain a comfortable environment inside the truck. Moreover, unloading the donkeys are carried out quickly and safely through wide ramps. All these factors together create an efficient means of transportation, ensuring the health and well-being of the donkeys on their journey to the processing factory. The spacing of coffee plants is crucial for effective garden management and healthy plant growth. Typically, coffee plants are spaced 2 to 4 meters apart to ensure each plant has ample room to grow. This spacing facilitates easier management, making harvesting and garden maintenance more convenient. Additionally, proper spacing ensures good air circulation and sunlight penetration, optimizing resource use and boosting production efficiency. The environment in which coffee is grown plays a crucial role in determining its final quality and flavor. Coffee plants thrive best at altitudes between 600 and 1,800 meters above sea level, in temperate to tropical climates with adequate rainfall. The soil needs to be well aerated and rich in nutrients, providing ideal conditions for coffee plants to grow. This not only helps produce high-quality coffee beans, but also protects the local environment. Harvesting coffee by machine has become a significant part of the modern coffee industry. Coffee harvesters are designed to automate the harvesting process, from cutting branches and shaking off the cherries to collecting and transporting the coffee beans. This method saves time and labor, reducing the reliance on manual work while increasing the efficiency and quality of the harvested coffee. Additionally, coffee harvesters minimize environmental impact and help farmers achieve a stable and reliable yield each year. The coffee bean processing journey kicks off at the factory once the coffee cherries are harvested. Firstly, coffee bean undergoes screening to weed out unwanted bits like leaves and twigs. Next up, the coffee cherries are thoroughly washed to rid them of any dirt and surface impurities. After leaving the factory, coffee is distributed widely across the market, from coffee shops to restaurants and cafes. Each place offers a unique coffee experience, From the rich aroma of a cozy cafe to the elegance and sophistication of upscale restaurants. Coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a part of culture and lifestyle. In these places, people can indulge in their passion for the bold flavor of coffee and share memorable moments with friends and loved ones. Leave number 1 if you are a regular customer of the coffee shop. Subsequently, the beans are sieved to remove husks and impurities, yielding beautifully roasted coffee beans ready to be packaged and consumed. This process plays a pivotal role in shaping the unique flavor profile of coffee. The final step in the coffee processing journey is packaging the product. After grinding coffee beans into coffee powder, the powder is carefully placed into high-quality packaging and sealed securely. This packaging process ensures that the flavor and quality of the coffee are preserved to the fullest, shielding it from the effects of light, air, or moisture. The product is then ready to be delivered to stores and retail outlets, delivering an exceptional coffee experience to consumers. Grinding coffee beans into coffee powder is the final but crucial step in the coffee processing journey. Roasted coffee beans are fed into the coffee grinder, where they are finely ground to produce coffee powder. This grinding process can be adjusted to achieve the desired fineness depending on the type of coffee and brewing method. Grinding coffee beans creates fresh, finely ground coffee powder with a rich aroma and high freshness. After being made into sausages and stuffed into casings, the donkey sausages undergo a drying process to create the final product. During this stage, the sausages are placed into specialized drying machines where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. The drying process removes moisture, enhancing the flavor of the donkey sausages and making them easier to preserve and transport. Once adequately dried, the donkey sausages are packaged in high-quality bags, ready for consumption. The meat filtering process is the next step in processing the meat, aimed at removing unwanted parts and producing high-quality end products. First, after hair removal and cleaning, the donkey meat is passed through filtering steps to separate excess parts such as bones, fat, and other impurities. Then, the meat is cut into small portions and prepared for further processing steps. This process requires precision and technique, with the intervention of modern machinery to ensure accuracy and high efficiency. The result is clean, delicious donkey meat that meets quality standards. Upon arrival at the factory, the donkeys are cared for in the waiting area. Animal care staff check their health and condition, ensuring they are in the best possible condition before entering the processing process. The donkeys are placed in a comfortable and safe environment with ample space to rest and move around. Manufacturing sausages in a factory with modern machinery brings many benefits, especially in terms of food safety. Modern technology automates the production process, from processing ingredients to packaging products, reducing human intervention and the risk of contamination. Continuous quality control equipment ensures that the final product meets the highest food safety standards. This builds trust and credibility for the factory in the eyes of consumers. After drying and quality inspection, the donkey sausages move to automatic packaging. On the packaging line, the sausages are sealed in high-quality bags to ensure safety and preserve flavor. Each package includes information about the product's origin and storage instructions, ready to be shipped to distribution stores. The Donkey Sausage Factory prioritizes hygiene and employs a state-of-the-art waste management system to ensure a clean and safe working environment. This system includes waste treatment equipment such as filtration tanks, drainage systems, and waste compactors to minimize the environmental impact of the production process. Then the mixing process takes place, where the ingredients are thoroughly combined, creating the distinctive flavor of donkey sausages. Finally, this meat and spice mixture is fed into the sausage-making machine, where they are stuffed into casings and undergo fermentation to develop flavor and texture. Through these steps, the final donkey sausages are produced with excellent quality and flavor. The grinding and mixing process of donkey meat is crucial in determining the distinctive flavor of donkey sausages. First, the donkey meat is passed through a grinder to finely grind, creating a smooth and uniform meat mixture. Next, spices and other ingredients such as salt, sugar, pepper, and garlic are added to the meat mixture in specific ratios and unique recipes. Thank you for watching. Your companionship is our joy and motivation to create engaging videos every day. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 1 in the comments section. Any mistakes you point out will help us improve the quality of each video. Now goodbye and see you in the next videos. Welcome to our channel, which is run by a pro team. First the channel manager, content writer, and finally the editor.